Good morning, everyone. Hillbilly Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening. It's been a while. It's been too hot. It's been too dry to get out and do anything. And so I just wanted to give you an update and tell you that just about all the garden is gone. We've had to pull up everything except for some of the watermelons and the bell peppers. And we're going to try to keep the tomatoes going, but they are burning up as the days go. We have not received any rain, probably since sometime in May, if not before. But let me show you what's going on out here. You can see this ground's getting drier and drier and drier. Everything is just completely struggling to keep alive. Look at this. That probably goes, my goodness, at least 1.5 feet, maybe 2 foot deep, straight down. And the whole property is looking like this. Come over here. We have summers like this, but I tell you what, I sure don't like it when we do. I'm having a little bit of luck with my Spanish squash. I did this last year as well, and it seemed to be okay. This is in my permaculture garden, but look, even my permaculture garden is cracking. It is brutal. You can see that's what one of my Mexican squash looks like. They are very tasty. They're like a round zucchini. The rest of the permaculture is struggling. It's dry, 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 people. Here is my raised bed of peppers. They're okay. They're alive. They're green. Thankful for that. I'm going to have to get in here and do some weeding and water them down really good and trellis them up. And hopefully I can keep these going through the fall and until our next freeze. I do still have some tomatoes. Like I said, I'm going to try to keep these alive until our first freeze as well, because they did start producing again last year in September and October, and I was able to get probably about 3 or 4 pounds of tomatoes before the first freeze. But look, I mean, it's just drying up. It's just ridiculously dry out here. So here's a quick rundown of what's left. Not much. My cucumbers are just about to burn up. There's some out there that I can pick, but not much at all. I did not get any cantaloupes. It was too dry. I do have a couple of watermelons out there, but I'm not sure that they're going to come through. We just cannot keep up with the watering, and we cannot really do anything about the heat. It's already 81 degrees out here. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning, and it is burning up. We do have a chance of rain over the next 5 days, but you know what? We've had those chances many times, and we've not gotten anything out here. Look at that corn back there. Man, it is just burning up like crazy, and we have cornfields like this all around us where it is just so bone dry and brittle and such a fire hazard. We are under a burn ban. People did shoot fireworks the other night, and they still are, and it makes us very, very nervous out here, because all it takes is one spark and this whole place would be up in an inferno. Out west of here, there's some pretty big fires out there, and it's just a very scary time of the year, and we are hoping and praying to get some rain. Okay guys, in closing, we've had a rotten year in the garden, but that's okay. We did do good last year. I was able to can quite a bit, and I was able to can some stuff this year that I normally have not grown. And so I got some new and exciting things in there that I'm going to try. One of the things I'm going to do today is I'm going to can up a hearty beef stew, and I'm going to do a video on that. We want to thank you guys for watching. We want you guys to be safe. It is dry. I know a lot of you are struggling like we are with the heat. I see your videos and your comments. And it's been really a weird year, you know. We went from freezing cold temperatures in April to summer temperatures of 100 degrees in May. And so just nothing really had a chance to kick off. It's so bizarre. I'm hoping that we kind of get back to a normal weather pattern. I do plan on doing a fall garden, and I will get in there and till up that dirt and get it ready as soon as we get some rain. It's hard as a rock right now. There's absolutely nothing I can do with it. But anyway, we appreciate you guys. Be sure to subscribe to the channel so you can see when we do start our fall garden, and you can see when new videos pop up. If you want to know right away, just click that little bell up in the corner, and that will let you know. We do appreciate each and every one of you. Take care. God bless. Have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you soon.